This is a video introducing the key features of Veralune 10 Quarts Outdoor Fish Fryer Kit. It helps give you an overview. Of course. If you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features of premium construction, crafted from food-grade aluminum with temperature-resistant finishes. This 10 quarts deep fryer pot is built for daily use in various environments. The pure aluminum ensures even, fast heat conduction and easy cleaning for a seamless cooking experience. Large capacity, the 10-quart fish fryer kit and matching strainer basket offer ample space for frying larger batches, perfect for family meals, parties, or outdoor gatherings. Despite its large capacity, it remains lightweight and easy to transport, giving you flexibility in any cooking setting. User-friendly design, designed with a heat-resistant handle and ergonomic grip for safe and comfortable use, preventing burns or oil splashes. The perforated basket allows efficient oil drainage and uses less oil, ensuring even cooking and a crispy finish. Versatile compatibility, whether frying, boiling, or cooking other dishes, this deep fryer with basket excels at a variety of tasks, ideal for fish, chicken wings, shrimp, fries, and more. It works on gas, electric, induction cooktops, and outdoor propane burners, offering ultimate flexibility for your kitchen. Perfect for entertaining, achieve restaurant-quality results at home or outdoors. With its durable construction and superior performance, this deep fryer pot makes cooking for large crowds easy, impressing your guests with minimal effort and maximum flavor. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.